Have you ever wondered where all those single-use plastic bottles that you use end up? A large percentage ends up in the ocean. A dump truck worth of plastic goes into our oceans every minute. 2,000 plastic water bottles are used every second. While plastic water bottles are convenient, using a water filter is better than using water bottles because plastic waste will be reduced, money will be saved, and drinking water will be cleaner. Plastic waste is one of the largest polluters found in the environment, second below cigarette butts. Since plastic never fully breaks down, it just gets smaller and smaller until fish and other wildlife ingest the tiny plastic particles. These animals are then eaten by humans, therefore bringing our plastic pollution around full circle as we ingest our own garbage. To avoid such a disgusting issue from continuing, water filters should be used in place of plastic bottles. Depending on the type of water filter purchased, it will only need to be changed every 2 to 6 months. In comparison, that's drastically less waste than plastic water bottles create. Water filters and reusable water bottles are not only better environmentally, but are more cost convenient as well. If the cost for a case of water is $6, a 4-person family will pay a total of $3,114.67 per year, just on plastic water bottles alone. If the same 4-person family were to switch to using water filtration pitchers instead, that the total cost, including replacement filters, reusable water bottles, tap water cost, and the water pitcher itself, would come to $236.10 per year. That is an extreme savings. More than 99% of plastics are produced from chemicals derived from oil, natural gas, and coal, all of which are dirty, non-renewable resources. Not only are the plastic bottles derived from dirty sources, but the water inside can be as well. According to the Journal of Environmental Health, a test was conducted in California to test for heavy metals in bottled spring water. 6 different types of water were tested. Every single one tested positive for arsenic with levels over the public health goals in California. Some even tested positive for silver, barium, cadmium, cobalt, chromium, copper, nickel, lead, antimony, selenium, vanadium, and zinc. Exposing plastic water bottles to heat causes the chemical bonds to break down in the plastic and leach chemicals, specifically antimony, a cancer-causing ingredient, into the drinking water that can ultimately be toxic and possibly cause cancer. According to Brita, by switching to a water filtration system, many chemicals are able to be filtered out of the water to provide not only clean water, but cleaner tasting water. Ultimately, the water filter is superior because unlike plastic water bottles, it reduces plastic pollution, saves money, and provides cleaner drinking water. Water filters are obviously the more economical choice. When it comes to convenience, single-use plastic bottles can seem to be the easiest choice, but by practicing ethical habits like using reusable water bottles and water filters, there is not only a positive effect made on the planet, but on the finances and within the body.